Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of the October paper pumpkin. Okay, let's open it up. So, let's see here. So we get a stamp set. And it has really cute sentiments. Merry Christmas. Wishing you very happy Christmas filled with fun and laughter. Sending to you and yours, to the world. And then it has a little pretty wreath. And then a little flower. Enjoy. And then it comes with this little Stampin' spot and the color Just Jade. And then what is this? Oh, okay, just a little sheet telling you about the box. So this one is called Spread the Joy, I believe. Oh, Joy to the World is the name of this box. Let's see what goodies we have in here. All right, let's open it up. Okay, let's look at the pamphlet real quick. Okay, so it looks like you make cards. These are really pretty. Obviously you can use, you can make different cards with this. You don't have to follow what's on this sheet here. But it also has the instructions on how to assemble the cards. And here is a look at the cards, what you can make. Okay, let's see the supplies that come. So you get some dimensionals, some twine in red, these little cute cardstocks that look like they're embossed, or they are embossed. And then, let's see here. Okay, these are just the envelopes. And envelopes, oh, nice. That's pretty. Okay. And then these tags, these little punch out tags. And then here are the cards, the card base. Oh, something's hiding. What's in here? Oh, okay, little dies. Little die cutouts. Very cute. Okay, so these are the card bases. And they're foiled, which is cute. It's nice. Wait, what's going on here? And then some more. Oh, nice. Oh, wow. Okay. That's on this like gold sheet, and then some glue dots. Okay, let's make one of these cards. Okay, so I'm going to start off with my card base here. And I want to say this might be crumb cake. Let's see if it tells us the colors on here. Oh, it just tells us the coordinating colors. So cherry cobbler, crumb cake, early espresso, just jade, and soft sea foam. But I think this is crumb cake. Let's see. What do I want to use? I kind of want to use this too. Okay, put it across here. Wait, what is? Oh, this is in different languages too. Oh, that's neat. Okay, I wanted joy. I thought that was joy. I want joy. And then the little dot for the J. Kind of want to put that there. And there you have it, a really easy card. I love these kits, especially the card kits for times like this, for Christmas and the holidays. If you need to make a lot of cards, you can just make the same cards, or in this case it has 2 different ideas for you, or you can make your own. But I love this because they're really easy to make. Everything's already die cut for you. You just have to pop these out and just put everything together. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will talk to you later. Bye.